Good morning. Today we are again going to create in this video. We are going to create another two more models. So orthographic view is given. So let us start. So this is the first exercise which we are going to do. So in this particular exercise, we'll create the cross section, that is top view in the top plane, so that we will directly we will get the required shape. So in the top plane I'm going to create this particular shape, then mirror it about the central axis, then close the sketch, then extrude to 40, then we will cut this portion. So then we can make another one more cut here. So you can compare the required hidden lines, why it is coming here. So this hidden line is because of this slot, and this hidden line is because of this slot, and here this hidden line is because of this particular opening, and this solid line is because of this sharp edge. So let us start. It's a simple model. So create a new component, then turn on the origin here, select this plane, right click, create a sketch. So you can see this top is showing directly, like in the is facing towards us, showing top. So you can draw in the similar way how it is shown in your drawing also. Just to draw a small center line, then select the line and press X, click on the screen. Let us create the cross section now. So like this it is. So let us draw this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. Then we can mirror it. Select the mirror command, double click on the line, so you can see that the loop is got selected. Now go to mirror line and select this particular center line, then OK, then close the line, close the sketch. So by drawing one line here, another one more line over here. Now we have to define all the dimensions. So here this particular dimension is 40 and this distance is 10. This is 40, and from here to here it is 10. So if you look at here, the total distance is 100, and from here to here 50, and what we are going to do is we are going to locate this particular portion as located to origin, or here also, this also we can do. So from here to this point here it is 50, again this also 50, 50, then this is 25, and from here to here it is 30, this is 25, this is 30, This is 40. So what we are going to do is we are going to locate this as our center point. So this is 30 here. So just to draw a line, select the line and press X, then give this value as 30. Then we can give coincident. This line is coincident with this. So this total distance we have to give. So this is 70. So just we will remember this this D8. This is D8. So directly we can give the dimension for the next cut. So this height is 40 mm. Extrude. This is 40. So no need to remember that dimension because we can locate the origin also as our reference point. So now we can select this face, right click, create a sketch. So let us draw a rectangle here. Horizontal vertical, we can maintain this as horizontal vertical here. This depth is here is 20. This is 20. Coincident. This point is coincident here. Then finish sketch. Then we can extrude. Change this direction here. Then the extend. All through cut. Then OK. Now we have to make one more opening here. So we will go to the this right view. And draw this cross section and make a cut. So select this face, create a sketch, then draw a rectangle over here. So this is 30 and 15. This is 30. This is 15. So we can make symmetry. So just draw a small center line here. Select the line, press X, click on the screen, then go to symmetry. So this point, select this point and this center line. One more thing we will do, we will coincide this end to this line, then finish sketch, then select E, select the sketch here, change the direction, extend all, then OK. So I think we have completed this particular exercise. You can check the front view, top view and side view. This is the right side view. So just let us check before going to proceed further. So So this is the front view. We have the solid lines here, and on only one line here. Just to check with it, solid lines and one single line here. So next we'll check the top view. Top view here, two solid lines and the outer shape. So we have two lines here, then this shape and also this line. So now in the right side, right view. Okay, it's complete. So we will do one more exercise. So that is this particular figure. So in this figure, what we are going to do is, in the front plane we are going to draw this cross section, then extrude 60 mm depth, 80 mm depth, then we will make a cut. So let us do this. Is a simple exercise. So right click over here, right click over here, new component, then turn on the origin here, then you can select the front plane, XZ plane, create a sketch. Here we'll first draw a rectangle of size 200 by 85. So draw a rectangle 85, press tab key and press type 200. Then so I'm going to locate this point as some reference point here, 115. So just to draw a line, X. (115). We'll make it coincident. This line and this point is coincident. Then we will make this these three lines over here. (25) and 70, from here 85. This is 70. This is 25. Then we will trim this line. So once again we will give the coincident constraint, select the line and give coincident. Coincident. See, we will give this point is coincident with this. Now here this particular two lines also we will make. (55). We'll give coincident. This is coincident here. Then press D and give here as 55. Then we can trim this line and this line here. Then we'll give the dimension once again 85, enter. So this is the cross section here. So this cross section is the outside solid lines. We have considered all the outside solid lines. Now we will extrude this to 80. Finish sketch, then extrude. Then we will use symmetric whole length, and this time we will give 80. Then OK. Now next we can draw these two this particular shape on the front plane again. So select this face, create a sketch, then draw. Just make a closed sketch here once again. (20, 40, 90) D 20, 40, 90. So this sketch also fully defined. Finish sketch. Then what is the depth we have to cut? So here we have to see, right? So this you can see all the solid lines. So this is on our front face, so we have to cut 40 mm from this side. If you want, you can just so from here we have to cut. So extrude, select this face, minus 40. Now you can check the front view. Front view is like this. Top view is like this. Then what about the right view? Right view is like this. Then here you will get the hidden line because of this edge as well as this edge. That's it. Thanks for watching. Thank you.